Streamline is not your basic normal company. We call it people's company, but we're also a family company.
The way we take care of each other is the way we take care of our customers. We treat them like family. We're in their home. We're there to take care of them, solve their problems.
Here at Streamline, we're a family-oriented company. We work together as a family and we take care of each customer like they're our own family.
One thing I like about Streamline is that if I ever get hung up on a job, I know someone I can call.
We have the bond with each other where we know we have to get things done, but we can also smile and have fun while doing it.
Family, friends, the way that the company interacts, our customers see that. If these guys are treating each other, the way that they treat each other in real life, then they're really going to take care of me. And we do.
At the end of the day, if you're broke down on the side of the road, odds are we're going to help you out. We're going to stop and make sure that you're okay.
This team is amazing. This team is passionate, strong, caring, loving.
It really and truly is a family-oriented company.
I've never seen anything like this. Well, I've never been a part of anything like this before. So Bob has really created a culture that is bar none. I mean, it's hands down best place I've ever worked.
We all call each other just to see if you're stuck. Do you need help? Do you need me to take time out of my day to come and help you? Do I have to drive across town? Doesn't matter. When we say we're the people's company, we're the people's company. We want to take care of our people.
Streamline, our goal is client care, and I am happy to be part of the team.
We want you to feel confident that if you join the team, you'll be taken care of. Take care of your families. We value you. We don't take you for granted. We want you to be a part of our team.